Hi, welcome to part 2 of my manifestation journey. As you already know from the last video, that in my manifestation, a lot of things went south than what I expected the results to be. But then it completely changed a month later. Trust me on this. I manifested for a clothing brand because my main motive was to earn money and start a brand, right? But I was not able to do that. I failed. I was scammed. And I literally, rather than losing hope, losing hope in manifestation, what I did was I started believing it more and more. If this is happening, if this is falling, if things are going south, maybe they are going south for a reason. Maybe that storm is just to clear my path. That's what I truly believed. And that's exactly what happened. Just after I shut down the brand and lost my money, I started something that I never thought I would start. One of my friends suggested me that there is this Instagram thing going on. You can start content creation. It won't require any investment. And as you don't have any money right now, that's the only thing you can do. And as I was very much interested into spirituality since a very long time, I just knew that it is the only niche I will be going down onto. So I started with being a spiritual life coach. And most of my clients who have been my clients know that even in the sessions that we used to have, the only thing that was as my introduction was a spiritual life coach. So I have been a spiritual life coach all of my life since I started this journey of content creation. Then I was started failing in that as well. I used to not get views. I used to work hard. I worked hard for 3 months, and yet I did not get results. And I kept putting efforts. I kept uploading consistently. I had a good account. I used to follow up regularly, but I still did not see any results. And I used to constantly compare myself with other creators and feel inferior about it, that I'm not able to achieve what they are able to achieve. I'm not getting the views that they are getting. I'm not able to do it according to how I want it to be. But eventually, I figured out that I have to keep putting efforts. And still, it all went into vain. So even though it was the right path, there were still hurdles. And that's what exactly is going to happen with you. Things will go south before they go right. There are thousands of paths, but the destination is one. You will be reaching your destination. The path you might be taking might be the long one, the short one, the easiest one, or the smartest one. But that depends upon the universe. Universe sees the bigger picture. What you see is a small aspect of your life. That this is me and I want to get this. But universe knows what's happening in your life. It knows the bigger picture. So you have to trust the universe. You have to trust the path that it takes you with, the people he brings you to. You never know which people you will need when, in which situation and which desire in your life. So universe is guiding you throughout the journey. All it asks is you to do is trust and keep manifesting and not losing hope in that entire journey. And that's exactly what I did when I began manifesting again for that account. Eventually, I was at 500 followers when I thought of quitting this account of my Instagram. But eventually, I just thought, let's give it a chance one last month and then we will quit. And I again started uploading the videos. This time, I had manifested while uploading the videos, like I said. And suddenly, there was this reel on manifestation that came on my feed. I already knew what is manifestation because I have been in this field for a very long time and I know how it works. I've read many books on it and I have even known people who teach manifestation, but I never thought that I would be the one doing it. And I just saw that reel which was about manifestation. I called my friend again. She was like, yeah, that's also a good aspect you can talk about. So as I was a spiritual life coach, I thought that I can have one content piece about manifestation. And I thought that surprisingly, a lot of people loved the way I talked about manifestation. They loved the way I teach, they loved the way I explained about manifestation. And eventually it started becoming really popular on my page. People started loving my content. I got comparatively high views than my other posts for that video. So I decided that I'll keep on teaching manifestation. So I made a series out of it. And eventually, I started gaining followers. People started asking me only for manifestation. They used to love me for teaching manifestation. So I decided to become a manifestation coach instead rather than a spiritual life coach. And this happened in a span of 1 month. As soon as I became a manifestation coach, we shifted to Scotland. And that was a great opportunity my family received. And that was also one of the things that I had manifested. If you are my early followers from my Instagram, you might know that I actually started this journey from Scotland. I do have a videos when I was in India before, when I was struggling. I still have those videos on my page if you scroll down. And then later on, the major videos in which I got viral and I started gaining a lot of followers and I achieved a lot of my dreams and my goals was when I was in Scotland. So that opportunity was also something I manifested. So we went in Scotland. I started my manifestation journey. I started with clients and I started being social with my clients, and it was all new for me because of course I started my journey, and this is a year and a half ago, and I don't know how far I have come. It's been a year and a half and I can't believe that I've been teaching with so much experience, so much dedication, so much enthusiasm, and I just love spending time with each and every client and knowing their story, being a part of their story, being a crucial part of their life, someone they can remember for a long period of time, that yeah, she taught me something that I can never forget. That's my goal. That's something I want to be in your life. That's a pillar, that's a support system that I want to be in my client's life, and that's what I always focus on, is that how I can give the best foot forward, what extra I can do for them, what's something I can provide from my side that they can do better in their lives. That has always been my focus. And I think that's the only attitude and mindset that has helped me achieve a lot of great connections with my clients. After I came to Scotland in India, I started living alone without my parents. I started creating, I started my own brand, and there is a lot of things that we want to achieve right after this also. So hopefully we also make a part 3 of this video in which we talk about all the things that we have achieved further in our manifestation journey. As you all know, I also manifested a trip, I also manifested living alone, I manifested Scotland, I manifested my Duke, my dream bike, and there is a lot of things that I still have on my wish list and I wish to manifest. So hopefully we'll make part 3 later in the future when I have already achieved those things, and we will talk about how to do that. And also, as you know, it's my aim, or that's my manifestation, to make this account grow to 100K and more than that, to make it reach million as well one day, and make it really really big, and have so many people really loving manifestation, because there is so much misconception over the internet talking that manifestation is superstition, this and that, whereas manifestation is completely science based. Okay, there is no god over here, there is no feelings involved, there is only frequencies, emotions and actions that will be playing a very important role when you're manifesting. So that's the concept of manifestation. I hope you loved it. We will have a lot of videos coming up in the future when we will be talking about manifestation and how it works. We'll be also talking about how it can reprogram your subconscious mind, how manifestation works, and we'll be having a PPT which we will be discussing about. So see you in the next video. Just don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Bye bye.